Hello, welcome back to Crafty Krys. I am Krys, and today I'm going to be using some of the Gina K's Grand Garden Vines and Grand Garden Gate, and then her stamp set Cheerful Greetings. So let's get started. Let's see what we create. This die comes with these pieces separately. That way you can create the door if you would like it to open, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm not going to use these dies. I'm just going to use the insides. So, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. We're just going to, this is an A2 card base. 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. We're just going to center this. Probably help if I get out my mat, my magnetic mat. Okay. And we do need it to be pretty center because this is our, this is our card base right here. Okay. I'm going to run that through my die cutting machine. And then this is what we get once you pop out all the little pieces. So pretty. Look at all the details in that. It's just amazing. Okay. So we're going to set that to the side. And I'm going to get a white card base, which is A2. Again, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So it's going to go on there like this, but I'm going to do some ink blending on the back. Just to kind of, I'm not going to make any clouds or anything. I'm just going to add a little bit of color so it's not just plain white. Just going to clean my brush. This is about as much as I clean my brush. Okay, we're going to start with the lighter of the two. Scoot this over a little bit. I've got long arms. And that wasn't enough room for me. Now the blue raspberry. And this is just a messy blend because a lot of this is going to be covered up. Okay. That's really all the ink blending that we're going to do. Then we're going to cut out 2 of the vases, and we're going to cut out, I think, 4 of each one of these and the little pieces that go along with them. So we'll see. I'm not sure how many I'll need, but we're going to cut out 4 of each of these. So let me do that. I'll do that off camera, and then I'll be back. I cut these out. I don't need these for this card. I don't know what I was thinking. But on the vase, I did cut out this little piece right here. This is what goes across it. Okay. So I just cut them out in white cardstock. And then we're going to stick them to our mat, and we're going to do some ink blending. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all these, but who knows? So let's start with grass green. Love that noise. Now we're going to go with the jelly bean green. And I'm just kind of randomly putting it on to give it different. Like I'm not hitting every leaf or... Okay. Now we're going to leave those out because we need to do all the little leaves. And I'm going to do those in a different color. A different green, a darker green. This is the Christmas pine. We're just going to lightly go over these. That one flipped over. We're going to go with Barely There. Kind of a khaki color, maybe? So, that's pretty. Now we're going to go with the sandy beach for these. I am going to change my brush because that's more of a lighter brown. So I have a darker brown and a lighter brown on my brushes. Now let's start assembling our card. Okay, I'm not going to put glue on all these little pieces. I don't have patience like that. We are probably going to have to trim this card. So let's even it up as much as possible. And I will trim it up. Look at that. That's pretty. And just that little bit of simple blotchy ink blending in the back. So now let's assemble our little vase, vase, planter. I call it a pot. Okay, and I kind of would like one on each side of the door. See? Pretty. The fun part is figuring out where we would like our vines and our greenery, because we're not going to add the, I'm going to cut this off because I kind of messed it up whenever I was die cutting it. So it's really weak. Okay, what I'm going to do while I do this, I think it will just make my life a little easier, is bring in the mat just to kind of hold my card down so it doesn't move as much. This only purpose in this so my card doesn't move while I'm trying to glue all these small pieces down. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. I'm just gonna randomly put some of these leaves in. Oops, I dropped it. And this just will add a little bit of pop of color to the leaves. Okay, now we're gonna add some ink splatter to this and then get us a sentiment. So let's do the ink splatter first because that'll need to dry. We're gonna go with Pawsitively Perfect White. Now let's see here, what greeting, I've used this one so I don't want to use this one again, sending cheerful thoughts your way. Let me get my card right quick and see. I hate these big blobs, that's why I always try to do it off to the side, but you know, life happens. You know, choices happen. Have a cheerful birthday, I like that. Let's do that. Have a cheerful birthday. Okay. That stamp's so good, and that's the first time I've ever used that stamp. Let's pop this up. Just going to kind of put that right in the middle. Maybe. Yeah, let's just do it. Good. There we have it. Very fun, simple, classic card, classic birthday card. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for joining me for today's video. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And please be sure to follow me on all of my social media channels. Until next time, stay crafty, my friends.